In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the most important aspects of hair care when it comes to styling: heat protection. Whether you're curling, straightening, or blow drying, the heat can cause irreversible damage to your hair. That's why it's essential to use a heat protector. But with so many products on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Today, we're reviewing the best heat protectors out there to help keep your locks safe and looking fabulous. Let's jump in. Kicking off our list at number 1, TRESemmé Thermal Creations Heat Tamer. TRESemmé is a brand that has been synonymous with professional-grade hair care products, and their Thermal Creations Heat Tamer is no exception. This heat protector is designed to shield your hair from the damaging effects of styling tools such as flat irons, curling wands, and blow dryers. It's widely loved for its affordability and effectiveness, making it a favorite for those who want professional protection without breaking the bank. Key features: the TRESemmé Thermal Creations Heat Tamer comes in a convenient spray bottle that allows for even distribution over your hair. It boasts a lightweight formula that doesn't leave hair feeling greasy or heavy. With a combination of silk proteins, it promises to provide a smooth, sleek finish while protecting your hair from temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This product also includes UV protection, which is essential for safeguarding hair against the damaging effects of the sun, keeping your locks looking vibrant and healthy. Benefits and usage: this heat protector provides several benefits beyond just preventing heat damage. It helps maintain your hair's natural shine, leaving it looking glossy and healthy. It also adds a layer of moisture to your strands, ensuring they don't dry out when exposed to high temperatures. To use, simply spray generously onto damp hair before styling. The lightweight formula ensures it won't weigh your hair down, and it's suitable for all hair types, including fine, curly, or thick hair. Usability: TRESemmé Thermal Creations Heat Tamer is incredibly easy to use. The spray nozzle dispenses the product evenly, allowing you to cover every strand. It's quick to apply and absorbs into the hair fast, leaving no sticky residue. Whether you're using a blow dryer, straightener, or curling iron, it works seamlessly with all heat styling tools, ensuring that your styling routine remains as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Durability: the protection this product offers lasts throughout the day, even during humid conditions. It not only guards against heat but also provides long-lasting smoothness and frizz control. Since it doesn't weigh the hair down, you'll notice that your hair remains light and bouncy, with no limpness or buildup. This makes TRESemmé Heat Tamer a reliable option for daily use, ensuring your hair stays protected and styled for hours. In the second spot, we have Chi 44 Iron Guard. Chi is another brand known for its salon-quality products, and their 44 Iron Guard Heat Protectant Spray is no different. This product is designed to provide ultimate protection against the damage caused by high heat, especially from flat irons and curling irons. Chi 44 Iron Guard has been a popular choice for those who need a professional-level heat protector that ensures long-term hair health. Key features: the Chi 44 Iron Guard is formulated with a blend of natural ingredients, including silk proteins, that nourish and protect the hair from root to tip. It's designed to guard against heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for users who regularly use hot tools. Additionally, it is sulfate and paraben-free, which is ideal for those who prefer more natural products. The unique formula also helps to smooth the hair cuticle, reducing frizz and leaving a silky, shiny finish. Benefits and usage: this product offers a range of benefits, from shielding your hair from the harsh effects of heat to improving its texture and overall health. It hydrates and moisturizes the hair, preventing it from becoming brittle or dry. To use, spray generously onto damp hair and comb through for even distribution. It's suitable for all hair types, and whether you have fine, thick, or curly hair, it delivers exceptional results. Usability: the Chi 44 Iron Guard is easy to use, and the spray nozzle provides a fine mist that coats the hair evenly. It's lightweight and doesn't leave any sticky residue or greasiness. Whether you're blow drying or using a flat iron, this product works perfectly with all heat styling tools. Its non-greasy formula ensures your hair feels light and voluminous even after styling. Durability. One of the standout features of the Qi 44 Iron Guard is its durability. Not only does it protect your hair from heat, but it also provides lasting frizz control throughout the day. The silky finish remains in place, giving your hair a smooth, polished look for hours. Even in humid conditions, your hair will maintain its style, making this product a top contender for anyone seeking long-lasting protection. Coming in at number 3 is the Redken Extreme Play Safe. Redken's Extreme Play Safe is a heat protector specifically designed for damaged or weak hair. If you've been struggling with hair breakage or split ends due to excessive heat styling, this product might be just what you need. It combines advanced heat protection technology with nourishing ingredients that help strengthen the hair as you style it. Key features. The Extreme Play Safe features a heat-activated formula that works by infusing hair with proteins to help fortify and strengthen each strand. It provides protection against heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ideal for users who frequently style with high heat. The product also includes a combination of ceramides and proteins to help rebuild and reinforce damaged hair. Additionally, it helps prevent further breakage and split ends, making it great for users with fragile or overprocessed hair. Benefits and usage. One of the biggest benefits of this heat protector is its ability to prevent and repair damage. With regular use, you'll notice your hair becoming more resilient and less prone to breakage. The formula also helps improve elasticity and smoothness, leaving hair looking healthier after each use. To apply, simply spray onto damp hair before heat styling. It's suitable for all hair types, especially those that are chemically treated or prone to damage. Usability. The Redken Extreme Play Safe is incredibly user-friendly. The spray nozzle distributes the product evenly, and it doesn't feel sticky or heavy on the hair. It absorbs quickly, allowing you to move on with your styling routine without any delays. This product works well with blow dryers, straighteners, and curling irons, ensuring that your hair remains protected during every step of your styling process. Durability. Redken Extreme Play Safe stands out for its durability. It not only protects against heat, but also works throughout the day to prevent breakage and maintain your style. Whether you're fighting frizz or looking for long-lasting protection, this product helps keep your hair in top condition. The results are visible even after repeated use, with hair looking healthier and more resilient each time. Taking our 4th spot is Living Proof Restore Instant Protection. Living Proof's Restore Instant Protection is a lightweight heat protectant that promises to deliver ultimate protection against damage caused by styling tools. It's especially suited for those with dry, damaged, or color-treated hair, as it helps maintain hair health while providing a shield from the heat. Key features. The Restore Instant Protection uses a proprietary molecule called OFPMA, which helps to seal the hair cuticle and lock in moisture. This product is designed to protect hair from heat styling tools up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It also contains ingredients that help to block UV rays and prevent environmental damage, making it an all-around protective solution for your hair. This product is free of parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, ensuring that it's safe for all hair types. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of this heat protector is its ability to keep hair hydrated and healthy while offering protection against heat. It also works to prevent frizz, giving hair a smooth and polished finish. To use, spray onto damp hair and comb through to ensure even coverage. The lightweight formula ensures that hair doesn't feel weighed down, and it's effective for all hair types, from straight to curly. Usability. Living Proof Restore Instant Protection is incredibly easy to apply. The spray nozzle provides a fine mist that coats hair evenly, ensuring no spots are missed. It's also quick drying, which means you won't have to wait long before styling your hair. Whether you're blow drying or flat ironing, this product works seamlessly with your heat styling tools, giving you the flexibility to create your desired look. Durability. This heat protector provides long-lasting results. It offers excellent protection against both heat and environmental stressors, and the benefits extend throughout the day. Whether you're dealing with humidity, dryness, or frizz, Living Proof's Restore Instant Protection will keep your hair looking healthy and polished for hours. It also provides a great base for styling, making it ideal for those who want consistent results. And finally, at number 5, We have Amika the Shield. Amika the Shield is a lightweight, multi-purpose heat protectant that shields your hair from styling damage while adding shine and moisture. This product is beloved for its ability to protect hair from heat and UV damage, all while leaving your hair looking and feeling soft and healthy. Key features: this product is formulated with a unique blend of ingredients, including nourishing sea buckthorn berry, which is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that help maintain hair health. It provides protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and adds a layer of defense against both heat and UV rays. Amika the Shield is also sulfate-free, ensuring that it's gentle on your hair, even with regular use. Benefits and usage: the main benefit of Amika the Shield is its ability to protect hair from heat and environmental stressors while providing moisture and shine. It also helps to smooth the hair, reducing frizz and flyaways. To use, simply spray onto damp hair before styling. It's perfect for all hair types and can be used with blow dryers, curling irons, and straighteners. Usability: Amika the Shield is easy to use, with a spray nozzle that distributes the product evenly across your hair. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave behind any residue or stickiness. Whether you're creating sleek, straight styles or bouncy curls, this heat protector works effectively with all styling tools. Durability: the protection from Amika the Shield lasts throughout the day, keeping your hair smooth and shiny. Even after heat styling, your hair will feel soft and nourished, with a healthy glow that lasts. This makes it a great choice for anyone looking to maintain healthy, styled hair over long periods of time. Choosing the right heat protector can make all the difference in maintaining your hair's health while you style. From the affordable TRESemmé Thermal Creations Heat Tamer to the luxurious Amika the Shield, these products offer various benefits for different hair types and styling needs. Remember, the key to healthy hair is protection, and with any of these products, you can style with confidence knowing your hair is shielded from the heat. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews and hair care tips.